This is Njambiz and welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my video, which is extremely late. I'm sorry for that. Work has been a lot, but we are here, and today I want to show you something really cool. So I want to show you how to create, not really create, how to access your business manager, your Facebook business manager, mainly because it's really good to have the business manager, especially if you're managing several pages and you want to run ads from each page and have them billed separately, have them each have their own separate ad accounts. So Facebook have this business manager account, which is really cool because it helps you separate the different advertisings from the different pages, and also helps you at the same time centralize everything. So as you can see, I've already created my business manager account, so it's already on my drop down right here, but I'll show you how to access it before you create it. You just go to manage ads, go to your ads manager. I've shown you how to do this before, so this shouldn't be news for you. If you don't recall, check out my other videos on how to create Facebook ads. Check out the other videos. So you go to your ads manager, and then from here you'll see the business manager right here, and click on that. Then if you don't have a business manager, obviously you'll go ahead and create one. Once you've created one, this is what it will give you. And then you can go to business settings. Now on business settings, you see right here, there's add accounts. So you can come here and say add an account. You can either add, I've already added an account already, but you can either add another account that you already have another account. You can link it to your business manager, claim the ad account so that it moves to business manager. If you were already advertising on Facebook through ads manager, then you can request access to another account from another business. For example, if you're working with an agency that advertises for a company, they can give you access to their ad account for a client, and then you can create a new ad account. So this is what I did. I created a new ad account, which I came to realize later, part of the learning process. So I came to learn later that the business manager only has a limit of one ad account. Let me show you that. If you scroll down on the business settings, down here you see business info. When you go to business info, it will give you all these details. You can change and edit your business account from here, the business account details. And as you can see right here, it's saying ad account creation limit is 1. And I got in touch with the Facebook support team to find out how you can grow the ad account limit so that you have different ads for different either pages or different campaigns you want to do. So they can be billed separately and you can manage them separately. So this, you can grow this once you've created another account, which I learned after I had created a new account, that now I cannot add my existing ad account, which I'm supposed to put the ID here, account ID. If you want to link, by the way, this is a good time to show you how to do that. If you want to link an existing ad account that you've been using Ads Manager with to your business manager, you just need to input your ad ID, which you can get from your personal Ads Manager. If you come right here, go to your personal ad account. So from your ads manager, your regular ads manager, you can see right here, this is your ad ID. You can also copy it from the URL up here, or you can go to settings to get it, but this is easier. So just copy the ID, then come and paste it right here, then say add account. Again, mine is still at the limit of 1, so I have to first spend on the new ad account I created and make payment so that they can allow me to now add another ad account, so that they can grow my ad account limit. So what I did, I ran an ad earlier in the day on the new ad account I created, and I want to stop it now, and to stop it, make the payment, and then see if it's going to allow, if the account limit growing is going to be instant. Now I know the business manager has a lot of things to go through, and I'll go through them in separate videos because it's quite a lot actually. It's quite a lot. So I've shown you how to add your existing ad account from your ads manager here. Request an account, that's also very easy. You just choose the page you want to request. It actually really pretty much guides you here. Then you can request the page by name or ID and then send that, or you can create a new Facebook page if you want that to be for a new page. And then creating a new ad account is also pretty easy. Just follow the steps, input the ad account name, payment method, and so on. It will give you the steps to follow. Now I can't create a new ad account like I mentioned because of the limit, so I can't go through the entire process, but it's pretty much the same. We've created an ad account together before. If you haven't watched that as well, check it out. So I want to now go to, hold on. Actually, I'm gonna go to ads. Then come here and say open it in Ads Manager. So it's opened in Ads Manager but under the Business Manager account. You can see here I have the Business Manager account and I have my personal account. Alright, so here's my ad. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the ad. Stop the ad from running. And then I'm going to make a payment. Okay, so let me go to the billing. Billing. Hey, did I go to the right one? Let's see. Yes, I did go to the right one. All right, I'm gonna say pay now. So I'll pay that figure, make payment. Although it's a small figure, I don't know if this will work. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, so my balance is now 0. Then I'm gonna go back to my business account and refresh and see if my ad limit has changed. I don't know if you can spend that little amount and still have it grow your ad limit. But let's find out together, because the support guy said it should. Let's see if he was right. Yes, awesome. It has grown my ad account creation limit to 5, which is now the maximum according to what I was told by Facebook. Yeah, I know Facebook people. I'm just messing. I talk to them through the support. Anyway, so now I can create a new ad. So let's do that. In fact, I'll add an account. I'm going to add my existing ad account to the business manager so that I have 2 different ad accounts. Alright, so I'll add the account. Awesome! And it's added. Nice. This ad account is now owned by this business manager account. Great stuff, great stuff. There's a payment balance on that account. Now the beauty with this actually, and what I really love about this, being able to add several ad accounts, is that you can manage different pages from different clients under the one business manager account, which means when there's a delay in payment from one side, doesn't affect the other side. So have I taught you something today? If I have, give this video a big thumbs up. Alright, so let's try and add a new account. Though I should probably not add random accounts since it has a limit. But for the sake of showing you how to go about adding a new ad account, I'm gonna do so. Let me call this Njambiz tutorial because, hello, this is our tutorial. And then select payment method. I can add that later. And then say next. And then who will this ad account be used for? My business. Create. So now it's asking me to set permissions. The person I'm adding is myself, and I'm giving myself all the rights because I'm an admin, obviously. And then assign, and you can assign different people. If you have a team, you can assign different people, different pages, different ad accounts to manage, which I thought was also really cool. You can have a team, each managing a separate ad account, a separate page, and each page being managed, each page linked to its own ad account. Though as of now the maximum you can do is 5 that I know of, but I'll keep you guys informed as I learn more about this. So now my ad limit has changed to 5, which is amazing, and as you've seen, I've created new ads, and I mentioned from the business info you can edit your business manager accounts. So that's it for today's video. That's what I wanted to show you. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. If you've learned something new, give it a big thumbs up. If you watched all the way to this point, just give it a big thumbs up because you've already committed this far. Hello, just give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feedback, comments, leave them in the comment section below at the very bottom of the page. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this video is informative. Let me know if you want me to cover something specific in digital marketing. And let me know if you learned something new today. So like, comment, share widely, let people know, get to learn this as well. Share widely, and as always, if you haven't subscribed, I do digital marketing videos once a week, and I do motherhood life in general videos also once a week. So I do 2 videos per week. So subscribe, stay tuned for more on digital marketing, branding, and business every single week. And I'll see you next time.